Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
All I saw when they went to Delhi, they only raised the hands. They must have forgotten to shake the hands. So that may be the meaning that the nitty-gritties are worked out. You must have seen the photographs.
Yes, right.
They raise the hands.
Yes, all I have seen.
But all you have to do is shake the hands, and when you do shake hands, you do it from your heart to heart. So they should not worry about the culture of TMC and MGP. They should more worry about their culture, which is perfectly matching with the culture of 13 Congress MLAs who have joined from Congress, stating that the culture of TMC and the culture of MGP doesn't match. I think the cat is out of the bag. What he is trying to say right now, with the alliance government with the BJP, the culture of BJP and the culture of Congress must be matching, because they have got 13 BJP MLAs and 13 Congress MLAs which has merged with BJP, and that is what they are running the government. So maybe he is talking the truth.